Hello guys, today we are going to see about this tool only dapchecker.org. By using this tool we can see the domain authority, page authority and the spam score. So I have mentioned a few other tools in my previous video also. So if you want to check out that, so please see my other videos. Yeah, here we are going to check and I'm using Hrefs. So here you can see you can paste up to 5 domains here. Yeah, here you can see the domain authority, page authority, and the spam score, MR, and the age also. Like it's been like 14 years, 5 month, 29 days. Again, see all these things in this tool dabchecker.org. This is like a good tool. That's it, guys. Bye bye.